Creative teams today are embracing artificial intelligence not just as a design aid, but as a full creative partner. For companies that want to scale content creation while protecting their brand identity, enterprise-level AI tools have become essential. Two leaders in this new space are Adobe Firefly for Enterprise and MidJourney Enterprise. Both deliver powerful generative visuals, but they serve creative teams in very different ways. Let's dive into what sets them apart and which one might be the best choice for building brand assets at scale. Adobe Firefly for Enterprise is part of Adobe's wider creative ecosystem, and that is one of its biggest strengths. It integrates directly into familiar tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Express, so creative teams can use AI without changing their workflow. Firefly's focus is brand safety and content control. Every image it generates is trained on licensed, high-quality data and includes content credentials that identify how it was made. That means businesses can confidently use the assets for campaigns without worrying about copyright or legal risks. The AI can generate images, text effects, and design variations while matching brand colors and styles. It is also built for enterprise governance, letting teams define creative guidelines and maintain consistent brand identity across all outputs. For companies that already live in the Adobe ecosystem, Firefly feels like a seamless, trustworthy upgrade to traditional creative production. MidJourney Enterprise takes a more art-first approach. It is known for producing stunning, detailed, and often emotionally powerful visuals. The enterprise version builds on that creative depth, but adds team collaboration, privacy, and faster rendering speeds. Unlike Firefly, MidJourney runs primarily through its own interface, focusing purely on image generation. Creative professionals love its ability to bring abstract ideas to life with cinematic precision. MidJourney excels when you need inspiration, mood boards, or campaign visuals that feel bold and unique. The Enterprise plan ensures your creations are private and secure while allowing teams to share prompts, curate outputs, and collaborate in real time. It gives more artistic freedom and visual experimentation, which can lead to breathtaking results, but it also requires more manual refinement to align with brand standards. In many modern workflows, the best approach might actually be using both Firefly for structured brand-safe content production and MidJourney for concept development and exploration. Together, they cover both sides of creativity, the imagination that starts an idea and the discipline that brings it to life.